Not every Virgo is the same. And if you are watching this now, you may already know that the world often sees only the surface. Virgo is usually described as practical, organized, careful, and critical. A sign that notices every flaw, corrects every detail, and rarely seems satisfied. But that picture is incomplete. Virgo is not simply chasing perfection. Virgo is often responding to the quiet fear that something important could fall apart if no one pays attention. Beneath their precision lives a deeper instinct to repair, to refine, to make what is scattered feel whole again. This video is not here to turn Virgo into a list of traits. It is a closer look at the hidden patterns, pressures, gifts, and growth path behind this sign. 10 things that make Virgo a truly unique sign. And the first truth begins with the most misunderstood word attached to them: perfection. One Virgo does not seek perfection. Virgo seeks repair. One of the greatest misunderstandings about Virgo is the belief that they want everything flawless because they cannot tolerate anything less. But Virgo is usually not looking at the world with contempt. They are looking at it with concern. They notice what is loose, what is unfinished, what has been ignored for too long. A detail out of place is not just a detail to Virgo. It can feel like a signal. Something is asking for attention before it becomes harder to fix. This is one of the things that makes Virgo a truly unique sign. Their precision is not always control. Often it is care moving through structure. Virgo may correct the small thing because they understand how small things become patterns. A missed step becomes a weak process. A careless word becomes quiet resentment. A neglected habit becomes a larger problem. Where others may move past the crack, Virgo stops and studies it. Not to shame it, not to make it perfect, but to understand what it needs. This gift can make Virgo deeply reliable. They can improve a space, a plan, a relationship, or a routine without needing attention for it. They often make life smoother in ways others only notice after Virgo stops doing them. But the cost is real. When Virgo sees too much that needs repair, rest can feel irresponsible. And that is where their gift begins to turn into pressure. 2, their criticism is often hidden care. Virgo is often misunderstood because their concern does not always arrive softly. Sometimes it arrives as a correction, a question, a reminder, a small observation that sounds sharper than they intended. To others, this may feel like judgment, but in many cases, Virgo is not trying to make someone feel small. They are trying to prevent something from going wrong. They notice the weak point before the whole structure feels unstable. They may point out the missing step, the unclear plan, the repeated mistake, or the habit that keeps creating the same result. This is one of the things that makes Virgo a truly unique sign. Their mind often works like a quiet diagnostic tool. It does not only ask what is happening, it asks why it keeps happening. But this gift has a shadow. Virgo can forget that not every problem needs to be named immediately. Not every person is ready to be improved. Not every moment of care should become advice. Sometimes what someone needs is not a solution. Sometimes they need space to feel. This is part of Virgo's growth path. To understand that care can be precise without becoming harsh. That honesty can be useful without becoming heavy. That love does not always have to arrive as correction. Because when Virgo learns to soften the delivery without losing the truth, their words become more than criticism. They become guidance. 3, Virgo sees details others emotionally skip. Virgo often lives close to the small signals. The changed tone in someone's voice, the task no one finished, the sentence that sounds normal but carries a trace of tension underneath. To many people, these things pass by unnoticed. They seem too minor to stop for. But Virgo tends to understand that details are not always small. Sometimes they are the earliest evidence that something is shifting. This is one of the things that makes Virgo a truly unique sign. They do not only observe what is obvious, they notice what is almost hidden. A room that feels slightly off. A plan that has one weak step. A person who says they are fine while their behavior quietly says something else. This awareness can make Virgo incredibly useful in moments when others are moving too fast. Virgo can slow the situation down and catch what everyone else has skipped. But the shadow is that Virgo may struggle to turn this awareness off. Their mind can keep scanning even when there is no real danger. They may replay conversations, review small mistakes, or carry tension that was never meant to become theirs. So Virgo's growth is not about becoming less observant. It is about learning which details deserve their energy. Because not every signal is a problem, not every imperfection is a warning, and not every crack is asking Virgo to repair it. For Mercury gives Virgo a mind that organizes chaos. Virgo is ruled by Mercury, but their Mercury does not usually move like noise. It moves like sorting. Where Gemini may scatter into possibility, Virgo often narrows possibility into something usable. They take what feels messy, vague, or overwhelming and begin separating it into parts. What belongs here? What does not? What is urgent? What can wait? What is emotional reaction and what is the actual problem underneath? This is one of the things that makes Virgo a truly unique sign. Their mind can turn confusion into a process. When everyone else feels flooded, Virgo may start looking for the next clear step. They may write the list, check the facts, clean the space, organize the schedule, or ask the one question that brings the situation back to earth. But this gift can become heavy. Because a mind trained to organize chaos may begin searching for chaos even in quiet moments. Virgo can analyze a conversation long after it ended. They may review one mistake until it feels larger than it was. They may try to mentally solve emotions that only needed time to move through the body. Their growth is not to stop thinking. Their growth is to know when thinking is helping and when it is becoming another form of tension. Because clarity is powerful. But peace does not always come from having every answer. 5. Their practicality is a survival system. Virgo is often called realistic, but that word can sound too flat for what is really happening inside them. Their practicality is not a lack of imagination. It is a way of staying steady when life becomes uncertain. When something feels unstable, Virgo may not immediately speak in dramatic emotion. They may look for what can be done, the appointment that needs to be made, the message that needs to be sent, the room that needs to be cleaned, the detail that needs to be handled before the larger problem grows. This is one of the things that makes Virgo a truly unique sign. They often bring life back to the ground, not by denying emotion, but by giving emotion somewhere to land. In many cases, Virgo feels safer when there is a step, a method, a task, or a plan. Action becomes a container for anxiety. Order becomes a way to breathe. But this can also create a quiet burden. Virgo may start believing they must be the one who handles everything. They may become so skilled at being useful that others forget they also need support. Their growth is not to become less capable. It is to remember that being practical does not mean carrying every practical thing alone. Because even the one who fixes the room still needs a place to rest inside it. 6. Virgo serves because service gives meaning. Virgo's service is often quiet. It may not arrive as a grand promise or an emotional speech. It may arrive as a prepared meal, a fixed problem, a remembered detail, a cleaner space, or a practical answer offered before anyone has to ask. To Virgo, care often becomes real when it becomes useful. This is one of the things that makes Virgo a truly unique sign. They tend to understand love through responsibility, not because they believe affection must be earned, but because doing something helpful can feel like the most honest way to show they are present. Virgo may notice what makes someone's day harder and quietly try to remove it. They may remember the small preference, the deadline, the worry mentioned once in passing. Their care is often built from details other people forget, but this gift has a shadow. When service becomes the main way Virgo feels connected, they may begin to confuse being needed with being valued. They may give help before checking whether they have enough energy. They may fix what others should learn to face. They may become reliable in a way that slowly becomes invisible. Virgo's growth is not to stop serving. It is to serve with boundaries, to help without disappearing, to offer care without turning their own needs into an afterthought, because true service should not empty the person who gives it. 7, their overthinking comes from responsibility, not weakness. Virgo is often told they think too much. But for Virgo, thinking is not always a habit they choose. Sometimes it is the mind trying to protect everything from a mistake that has not happened yet. They may replay a conversation because one sentence felt unfinished. They may check a plan again because one missing detail could affect someone else. They may imagine the worst outcome not because they want to suffer, but because they are trying to prepare before life becomes harder. This is one of the things that makes Virgo a truly unique sign. Their overthinking often begins with care. They are not only asking, what if this goes wrong? They are asking, what if I could have prevented it? That question can make Virgo extremely responsible. They can see risk early, prepare carefully, and protect people from problems no one else noticed. But when this pattern goes too far, responsibility turns into pressure. Virgo may blame themselves for things they could not control. They may treat a normal mistake like proof that they failed. They may believe rest is unsafe because something might slip while they are not watching. Their growth is learning that awareness does not require constant tension. Preparation is useful. Self-punishment is not. Because Virgo's mind is a gift, but it was never meant to become a place where they are always on trial. 8. Virgo's love language is improvement through action. Virgo may not always express care in the most dramatic way. Their affection often appears through what they notice, what they remember, and what they quietly try to make easier. They may fix something before it becomes a problem. They may remind you of what you said you were worried about. They may prepare the detail that makes a difficult day less heavy. To some people, this can look too practical. But for Virgo, love often becomes real when it becomes helpful. This is one of the things that makes Virgo a truly unique sign. They tend to love through attention. Not attention that demands a stage, but attention that studies your patterns. What overwhelms you? What drains you? What you forget when you are tired? What makes you feel more stable without having to ask twice? But this gift has a shadow. Virgo may begin improving when the other person only wanted presence. They may offer a solution when someone needed listening. They may try to make life smoother while forgetting that love also needs softness, not just usefulness. Their growth is learning that action is powerful, but it is not the only language of care. Sometimes love is not fixing the problem. Sometimes it is staying gentle while the problem is still unresolved. And when Virgo learns this, their devotion becomes warmer, not weaker. 9. They carry silent pressure to be useful. Virgo often becomes the person others rely on without realizing how much that role costs them. They are the one who remembers what needs to be done, the one who notices what is missing, the one who quietly steps in before the situation becomes uncomfortable. At first, this can feel natural. Virgo may feel calm when they have a purpose. A task gives them direction. A responsibility gives them a place to stand. Being useful can feel like proof that they matter. This is one of the things that makes Virgo a truly unique sign. Their reliability is not empty performance. It often comes from a sincere wish to make life better, cleaner, safer, or easier for the people around them. But the shadow appears when usefulness becomes identity. Virgo may struggle to rest without guilt. They may find it easier to offer help than to receive it. They may stay busy because stillness makes them hear the quieter question underneath. Who am I when I am not fixing anything? That question can feel uncomfortable for Virgo because so much of their worth may have been tied to what they can improve. Their growth is learning that being needed is not the same as being loved. They do not have to earn their place through constant service. Sometimes Virgo's most healing act is not doing more. It is allowing themselves to exist without proving their value. 10. Their core mission is to refine what is broken into something whole. Virgo is not here simply to point out what is wrong. At their highest expression, Virgo carries the energy of refinement. They see what has become messy, neglected, inefficient, or quietly wounded, and they begin looking for the path back to health. Not perfection, health. There is a difference. Perfection tries to erase every flaw. Wholeness learns how to care for what is unfinished without turning it into shame. This is one of the things that makes Virgo a truly unique sign. They can enter a space and notice what needs structure. They can enter a relationship and sense what needs honesty. They can enter a problem and find the small adjustment that changes the entire direction. But Virgo's mission becomes distorted when they believe every broken thing is theirs to repair. Some people do not want to be fixed. Some patterns require time. Some problems belong to someone else's growth, not Virgo's responsibility. This is where Virgo's deeper lesson begins: to refine without controlling, to help without rescuing, to care without carrying what was never theirs. When Virgo understands this, their gift becomes cleaner, their service becomes wiser, their standards become less punishing and more healing. Because Virgo is not meant to live as the world's unpaid repair system. Virgo is here to show that small acts of care done with clarity and humility can bring scattered things back into wholeness. Virgo is not a list of habits. Virgo is a movement from correction toward clarity, from quiet service toward healthier boundaries, from noticing every crack to understanding which cracks are truly theirs to tend. At their best, Virgo reminds us that care does not always need to be loud. Sometimes it is the small adjustment, the honest question, the prepared detail, the patient effort that keeps something from falling apart. But Virgo's path is not only about making life better for everyone else. It is also about learning to stand inside their own unfinished places without shame. They do not have to become perfect to be worthy of rest, love, or gentleness. Their gift is refinement, not self-erasure. And when Virgo learns to serve without disappearing, to improve without punishing, and to care without carrying everything alone, their presence becomes deeply healing. Not because they fix everything, but because they show what wholeness can look like.